Good evening. Here we are going to see the function and the controls on the ozone generator. This ozone generator gives 5000 milligram per hour, that is 5 gram per hour. This is auto and manual switch. When it is on an auto mode, the time is selected by this control. So when you turn this control, depending upon the indication of the time, it remains on, and slowly mechanically the control comes back and ozone generator switches off automatically. When it is put on a manual mode, till the ozone generator is kept on, it remains on, and whenever the ozone generator is on, this blue light is indicated by the ozone. Now I will start the power button. Now as soon as you start the power button, you can see the ozone generator has started, and amount of the time elapsed is indicated in a hour meter. Now I'll show you I'll switch it off now. Now you have to connect oxygen line with this tube. So you can connect the oxygen cylinder, connect the tube, and at this end you connect the oxygen. And this tube is for ozone out. It is a ozone antioxidant tube. You connect the ozone out here, and here you get the ozone output, which is to be inserted in your duct. Now we'll see what are the connections inside. Now here inside, a mains cable is connected here, where the 230 volt voltage comes. This is the power board. This is the ozone cell, where the oxygen is going from this tube and ozone is coming out from this tube. This is a fresh air intake fan which makes the ozone cell cool, and this is the exhaust. So this way it is air cooled ozone generator, which gives 5000 milligram per hour. Also there is a handle. You can lift it and take it from one place to another place. And here what you can see is a smaller machine. This one gives 2000 milligram per hour. Thank you.